video demonstration of a project, sequel Aegis Latch, which helps the visually challenged people in locking and unlocking the doors. Visually challenged people find it difficult to open and close the doors and lockers because they find it difficult to identify the keyhole and put the right key in that. So this device helps them to unlock and lock the doors and ensures that it provides security for their doors. So the objective of this project is to help the visually challenged people to unlock the door easily and to provide a high security door locking system with low cost. There are several projects available in the market which serve the same purpose. Adel fingerprint door lock is one among them, which opens the door when the fingerprint matches with the registered. There is yet another device called Ubank security device, which is a wireless voice acousto-optic sight alarm system and gives a sensor siren when a wrong match is given. While using the fingerprint recognition based door lock, there is always a scope for getting the carbon copy of the fingerprint. Further, voice recognition systems may not work properly in noisy environment. So, to ensure a secure door locking system, we propose a braille code based door lock which is more secure as visually challenged people are more well versed with braille code rather than normal individuals. This is the video demonstration of a product, sequel Aegis Latch, which helps the visually challenged people in locking and unlocking the doors. This uses a braille code to open and close the doors. As you can see, the braille code to key in is used by the push buttons, the 6 push buttons, and the solenoid represents the door lock. When the system is powered on, it asks the user to enter the password. Here, for illustration, we have used the braille code of N for unlocking the door. As shown, the right password opens the door. The solenoid opened the door now.